Today, once again, this is Kutsam, and thank you so much for joining with us on this presentation. Ngayong gabi po, pag-usapan po natin dito po sa atin pong episode in which we will be, I will be discussing to you about time cycle strategy. And let me begin by saying that we have to stop gazing. In fact, start trading with timing. Most traders know where to enter, very few know when. Well, today I would like to introduce the time cycle strategy, the missing link between analyzing a chart and actually catching the move. First, the great illusions of technical analysis is all about the time cycle strategy is more than just knowing where the market will move. So kung nakita nyo rito, ayan po, nakita nyo rito mga boss sa atin pong chart. Of course, kung tayo po ang magtingin, this is perfect chart. Ayan, di ba? Perfect setup po ang tawag dito. But the problem is, again, many traders obsessed over indicators and also patterns of the price, but ignoring the ultimate variables of time. Now, kung nakita nyo rito, ang illusion dito is we are always depending on indicators that we are using. Might be you are using trend line, moving average, Bollinger Band, mga ganon. Ang tawag ko diyan as far as this um, video is concerned or this teaching is concerned, I should say that this is the great illusions of technical analysis. Perfect setup, but the problem is wrong timing. Perfect yung setup mo, pero wrong timing naman po yung entry natin. Where today, the core insight is very simple. A good entry at the wrong time can still become a losing trade. Now, the cost of fighting the clock. Trading all day without considering market timing leads to low quality and also choppy market. So andiyan po yung tinatawag natin na stop out, stop out, stop out, and stop out. Well, andiyan din po kasama yung tinatawag natin na emotional burnout from constant screen time. Sino dito? Sige nga, na parating babad sa laptop, parating nagcha-charting, parating gumagawa ng tinatawag natin na mga analysis natin. No, delikado yan, boss. And then, meron din pong tinatawag natin na whipsaw in slow, choppy conditions, giving back profits during dead market hours. Why? Because ang tawag diyan is trap. Well, beginners lost money because they assume the market offers equal opportunities at all hours. It does not. Hindi po ganon ang trading. Now again, ito na the missing link. It's all about the time cycle strategy. Now the question is, what it is? Well, a methodology designs to identify the exact period when the market is most likely to make its biggest, cleanest move. And also in philosophy, this is, they call it as trade with momentum, not against it. Less trading often leads to better trading. Well, the golden rule, the right setup at the right time creates higher probability opportunity. That's it. Now, dito tayo sa decoding institutional behavior. So again, large institutions do not enter the market randomly. Hindi po ganon. They become hyperactive during specific predictable period. Gaya ng zone of higher liquidity, major na trading session, and also meron pong overlapping. Important daily market transition, yes. The time cycle strategy align your entries with this massive institutional footprints. So dito makikita natin na 24 hours activation heat map. Meron tayong institutional injection, yes. Meron tayong major session, yes. Meron tayong market transition, yes. Tapos, pillar number 1, kailangan natin na ma-eliminate yung mga noise. So, paano natin yun gagawin? Number 1, you have to avoid low quality trade. Kasi marami pong noise. So, ibig sabihin, yung quality of trades mo is low average. Now, second, wait for the best trading hours. Pangatlo, actively avoid slow, choppy market conditions. And number 4, only execute when institutional activity is mathematically more likely to increase. Pillar number 2, meron kang dapat na extreme discipline sa trading. Now, do not trade. First is you have to observe. Sa atin kasi ayaw natin ng observe eh. Gusto natin trade kaagad, di ba? Pangalawa, we have to wait for the confirmation. Pangatlo, do not trade. Again, observe. Bakit ko yan binalik? Well, may purpose yan mga boss. Then next is time cycle window. This is now your time to execute. After na mag-execute ka, let's go back to the number 1, observe. So another thing, wait for the confirmation and then do not trade, observe. Bakit ganyan yung extreme discipline natin dapat? Okay? So dito na, we have to increase our trading discipline kasi meron pong tinatawag natin na overtrading is the number 1 reason traders fail. The time cycle framework forces you to be patient and wait for the confirmation, follow a rigid structured trading schedule, reduce emotional reaction decision. So ito na, tips ko ha sa inyo mga boss. Professional trader don't trade every candle. They never trade every candle, but rather, I myself, I trade only in the cycle of time. Well, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. Pillar number 3, we have to apply as well asymmetric risk to reward. So dapat may tight stop loss ka, dapat may time-triggered entry ka, dapat may large reward target ka, dapat improve risk to reward opportunities. Meron ka dapat. Now, when you enter during strong time market cycle, meron pong tinatawag natin na price moves with heavy momentum. And also, you can as well trade reach profit target significantly faster, and you can utilize tighter stop losses while aiming for larger reward. So kunyari, dito tayo papasok, dito tayo mag-entry. So ang SL natin diyan dapat tight. And then pag mag-trade ka and also na-follow mo yung time cycle strategy na sinasabi natin, meron po yang movement na napakahaba. Okay? Paano ngayon yan, coach? Well, discuss ko yan ha. Kumbaga, i-follow nyo na page na to kasi dito po ako mag-upload ng mga coming natin na mga lesson. Okay? The ultimate synergy, yung tinatawag natin na SMC or Smart Money Concept plus the time cycle. Well, dito ngayon, ito yung tinatawag natin na market structure. So dito yung sa market structure mga boss, makikita natin na higher high, lower low, higher low, mga ganon. Now, so makikita nyo rito ang trend direction. Pag marami po ang higher high, ibig sabihin that's an uptrend. Pag marami po ang lower low na makita mo, that's a lower trend or kumbaga that's bearish, okay, downtrend mga boss. Now, ang next dapat na marunong ka is the smart money concept. Ito yung sinasabi natin where So kanina sa market structure, it's all about trend direction. So dito na ngayon sa pangalawa, it's all about where. Saan ba yung liquidity? Saan ba yung OBS na sinasabi natin? Saan ba yung fair value gap na sinasabi natin, mga boss? Dapat hanapin natin yan. Dapat alam natin yan. Okay? Tapos, after that, the last confirmation that you have is the time cycle. Ito na, when. So, it's all about decision timing. It's all about the timing of time. It's all about the timing of entry na meron pong movement si market. Nako mga boss, ito good news ko ha. May good news pa ako kasi nakadevelop tayo ng AI. Ngayon po, mamaya, before the end of this video, pusin po ninyo mga boss ha, yung panood ng video na to kasi tuturo natin, pakita ko sa inyo, our expert advisor. So dito tayo, the 1% high probability sit-up is the time cycle. Instead of trading every SMC sit-up, you say, you wait for this concept to perfectly align with the correct market timing, and that is time cycle. Time plus price structure is equal to unmatched probability of trade. Now, next is precision execution. Ito na, meron ka nang hanap na order blocks and also fair value gap. So, doon yan sa smart money concept. So, kunyari, meron ka ng order block or OV plus fair value gap na nakita. Tapos, meron ng institution use specific time of day to mitigate positions in fill imbalance. And meron ka ng an OB or FBG or fair value gap hit outside the time cycle is a trap. An OB or fair value gap hit inside the time cycle is an institutional launchpad. So, kunyari, ito yung fair value gap mo, di ba, alam natin, di ba, mayroong dapat same, tatlong candle yan magkapareho, tapos sa gitna, ito yung sinasabi natin mga boss, na fair value gap. Dito yan, ito, actually, kasali ito eh. Okay, yan, kasali yan mga boss. Sinsya na sa atin pong PowerPoint. Now, ito namang isa, this is your over order block rather. So, ang sabi sa atin pong lesson for today, pag makita nyo po ito outside of the time cycle, ibig sabihin mga boss, that's trap. Okay, trap po ito. Pero pag makita niyo po ito inside of the time cycle na akin pong ituturo sa inyo, ibig sabihin that's institutional launchpad. Lilipad yan. Talaga mga boss, lilipad. Now, let's give you an example. Trapping the retail trader liquidity sweep. Yan. Liquidity sweep and market structure or BOSS or in chalk. Ito na mga boss, time cycle window open. Kunyari, retail trader, dito yan, di ba, umakyat. Tapos, dito naman, merong breakout. Retail trader buy stop triggered here. O, dito sila, kumbaga, nagbabay. Pero ang nangyari, si market po is nag-sell off. So, ano kaya ang nangyari doon? Institutional sell-off. So, meron ng break of structure plus change of character or yung chok. So, ano po ang ibig sabihin? Retail trader gets trapped in false breakout, di ba? Dito yan, boss, di ba? Merong breakout nang nangyari and we are thinking, retail trader are thinking, aakyat na to kasi may breakout na eh. Aakyat na yan. Pero ang nangyari is bumagsak. Now, the time cycle traders wait for the engineered liquidity sweep during high volume position followed by a confirmed boss chalk to ride the real institutional wave. So, ibig sabihin, pag alam mo yung time cycle window na mag-open, this is the secret sausage of trading, mga boss. This is the secret sausage of trading. Yan po ituturo natin sa inyo, mga boss, ha? Okay? Now, ito na, the anatomy of unshakable confidence. So, again, why? That's institutional liquidity sweep. Where, that's the fair value gap or order block, sinasabi ko na kanina. The when is the time cycle window na maging active. So, mga boss, again, ito na. Better confidence in every single trade when you know why, of course, when you know where, and when you know when you are entering. You transform from anxious, reacting amateur into an confident trader, executing professional following a plan. So, kung nyari ito yung chart mo, mga boss, nahanap mo na yung order block mo, tapos may alam ka pa sa tinatawag natin na time cycle, nako naman. Okay? Ito na, the two paths, reactive versus time cycle trader. The always on trader at saka the time cycle trader. So, number one, sa the always on trader, focus sa tinatawag natin na every candle 24/5 of the day, of the week. Pero sa time cycle trader naman, focus nila specific 2 to 3 hours na meron pong high volume na active sa market. So sa 2 to 3 hours na yan, boss, doon mag-trade yung mga time cycle trader. Tapos meron din po dito sa always on trader, chases indicator crossover. More on indicator. Like crossover, overbought, oversold, mga ganon. Dito naman sa time cycle trader, wait for the smart money concept alignment within the time cycle. Okay? Pag yan ay mag-align and within the time cycle, dito pumapasok ang mga time cycle trader, mga boss. Now, dito ngayon sa result sa the always on trader, caught and chop, yung choppy po si market. Meron pong chip out, yes, at saka ma-chop out nila ang mga good sit-up. Pero dito sa time cycle, kasi may makita mo na yung high momentum, clean move, tsaka tight stop. Bakit? Kasi alam mo yung time of volume and momentum. Tapos dito sa emotion, anxious, and also you will feel burnout. Dito naman sa time cycle strategy, boss, you will gain patient, precise, and you will have purposeful trade. The market does not reward the trader who trades the most. It rewards the trader who waits for the highest quality opportunity. Now, question is the time cycle strategy for you? Well, number one, we have to check if you are ambitious beginners who need a structured role-based approach from day one. Pag hindi ka ganyan, well, X ka dito. Pero kung yan po desire mo, check ka diyan mga boss. Intermediate traders trapped in the boom and bust cycle looking for true consistency. Of course, hanap natin, ito po yun. And also, smart money concept traders who have the sit-up but lack the timing. If you have the sit-up, you know what is order block, fair value gap. Ang kailangan mo is timing. When to trade. And if you are a scalper and also day trader seeking to avoid low choppy probability chop, if you are swing traders wanting surgical high probability interest, time cycle is best for you. Anyone ready to trade with pure discipline and patience, time cycle is best for you. Now, master the clock, master the market, you know the concept. Now, master the timing. Learn how time cycle, smart money concept, and market structure works together to create the ultimate trading edge. Get immediate access to the complete time cycle module today. Send us a message via WhatsApp 0907-4786-569. Before ako magtapos sa atin pong tawag nito sa atin pong presentation for today, I would like to introduce to you our time cycle EI. As a matter of fact, I am the founder and also the creator of this artificial intelligence, and good news because you can use it on MT5. Now, you can trade gold, you can trade BTC USD, you can trade Euro USD, GBP USD, USD GPY, and everything. So as a matter of fact, this feature is everything is here. Meron po tayong time, Philippine time, nakita nyo, and this is also my WhatsApp number. You can send us a message, 0907-4786-569. Now, we have also time zone waiting. So ibig sabihin, itong portion na 'to, mag-blink po 'yan 'pag mahanap niya yung time cycle zone, mag-blink po 'yan ng green, boss. Ibig sabihin, you are now, in the, buying time cycle zone. 'Pag mag-blink naman po ito ng red, ibig sabihin, you are now in the selling time cycle zone. So, kung may alam ka sa smart money concept, sa price action, sa ICT strategy, nako, plus mag-blink po itong time cycle zone na sinasabi natin, mga boss, that's another, sabi ko na kanina sa presentation natin, additional confirmation of the trade na magiging quality po ang inyong setup. We have the auto on. Yes, mag-trade po ang expert advisor natin, mga boss, ng auto trading. Naku ha, abangan nyo yung mga backtest natin, boss, on the coming mga video na atin pong i-upload sa atin pong social media platform. Boss, abangan po ninyo. And as well as, we have the martingale. Kung gusto niyo po na mag-martingale, ang AI po ninyo, boss, you can use it. Pag hindi naman, i-off mo nyo lang, automatic po maglagay ng SL. And also, I added as well, because I am the developer of this expert advisor, the sell and the buy button, close sell, close buy, and also close all. Okay? So yun po mga boss, yung atin pong kumbaga lesson for today. If you want to access and also increase your wisdom in forex trading, all you have to do is invest knowledge in yourself. And also, i-message ako sa WhatsApp mga boss, 0907-4786-569. And also again, for the last time, kailangan wag po tayong mag-stop. Learn, study, and go back to number one, learn and study. The best investment is wisdom. Invest wisdom in yourself. This is Coach Sam once again, the founder of Sam FX Trading Academy, and I've been in forex trading and forex market and trader at the same time for 13 long years. God bless. Enjoy the rest of the day.